Henrik is leading a critical digital transformation project using Ignition. The stakes are high, and the weight of responsibility is overwhelming. What he needs now is an Ignition integrator he can truly trust. 2 premier Ignition integrators. 2 very different approaches to support. Which one will Henrik choose? Integrator Z believes in short-term gains. Their commitment is to the contract, not to Henrik's success. Henrik is left to navigate these unresolved issues alone, leading to delays, inefficiencies, and growing frustration. If he wants help, change requests must be added to the contract. A lack of commitment leads to short-term thinking. For Integrator Z, the job is done when the checklist is complete, not when Henrik succeeds. And the result? Delays, frustration, and a system that's only half ready. Commitment can't be written into a contract, it has to be felt. Inuta brings more than expertise, they bring partnership. They listen, adapt, and tackle challenges side by side with Henrik. Commitment means flexibility. Inuta doesn't walk away when the unexpected happens, they lean in and adapt, turning challenges into opportunities. Going the extra mile means offering value beyond expectations. Henrik sees tangible progress, and his team is getting more confident. Thus, Inuta has earned their trust once again. A partner who values flexibility and goes the extra mile doesn't just deliver a project, they deliver peace of mind. Commitment. Reliability. Flexibility. Because that's what we want from our consultants, too. We all seek peace of mind, so that's what we aim to provide. Head over to inuta.eu to discover how.